Hello, hello. This is Kim, and coming to you with a new tutorial for my group and for my YouTube channel. Okay, today we're going to talk about Canva, and Canva has AI, artificial intelligence, and to those of you who are not making designs right now and wanted to know what AI was all about and just want to get in here and try to do something, um, try to make your own designs because we're having challenges every single month. I'm going to try to do one challenge. And with the challenges, a lot of times, most of the times, I use my own images for the challenges. I'll still do that. I'm not taking that away. But some of you may want to try to do it yourself. You may want to go in there and play around with yourself. And if you haven't been um, doing it, maybe you'd like to try it. So Canva has I think it's free. If it's not free for Pro, it's $12.99. So let's get started. Okay, you're going to do create a design. Once you get on Canva, your Canva will look just like this. And you'll go create a design. And we're going to go down here and do custom size. And I'm just going to pick anything because this is just a test. Okay, so this is going to be my size. And then we're going to go over to the left hand, the file, right up under file, we're going to go apps. And under apps, we are going to go to, let me see, we're going to go down. We're going to keep scrolling under discover. We're going to scroll and we're going to go text to image right here. Text to image. And then in this little box right here is where, this box right here, where it says try an example, we are going to type in something. Okay? Let me see if I found something cute. I don't know if it's going to come back up or not. Let me see if I can find it right quick on my iPad. It was, but I'm sure I deleted it because I'm doing 1,000 things all the time. Okay, so anyway, let's go in here. And of course, you're probably not going to pick up the first thing or the second thing or the fourth thing. So give it some time before you get good at this. It's not going to come at the first try, second try, third try, fourth try, okay? So let's just type in, I don't know why, AI make me a black American woman with beautiful long braids, um, beautiful eyes with long eyelashes. Let me see. Full portrait. Full. Let's go full close up. Portrait. Portrait. You spell portrait. Full close up portrait. How about a white crop top with blue jeans? And let me see, what else can we think of with high heels? And this might not all come on there, but we're going to try it anyway. Let's go in the style. Frank and Charlie Boy. Now let's see what it comes up with. Let's go create your image and see what happens. Of course, you can use your own imagination. Um, don't have to do what I do. And see, it still didn't do a lot of things. Now, this first one looks okay, but you see how it's cut off and in the corner. Um, this one has a few arms to it. This one is okay, but it's cut off as well. And this one is almost a full portrait. Yes, it is. Okay, so what you can do is keep trying because it'll get better. It definitely gets better. So let's create again and see what we come up with this time. This one is not too bad. So you might like this, guys. But you're gonna have to, like I said, keep trying. If you get like extra arms and stuff or extra legs, sometimes those kind of things can be fixed. Let me see if I can change it up a little bit. May not, one result may not meet our policy. Okay, alrighty. This is how this one looks. We can go, let's go full portrait, no cut off. I don't know why it won't give me a full portrait. Okay, let me try this. No cut off. No cut off. Let me see if that'll work. Full portrait with no cut off. Okay, we're getting better and better. They cut off two results this time. Okay, so wow, that's very vivid and colorful. I kind of like that one. Let's try wearing a hat. Let's see what happens. Wow. Okay, so you guys, you can keep. I kind of like them before, right? Except the only thing is it's cut off. The hat is cut off. But I could still work with that, okay? I could really still work with that even though the hat is cut off. Let's try it, create it one more time. And I want to tell you something. Remember, look at the earrings, look kind of funny on here. Remember what I said, and one more time, about having something on your image. And let's look at this one. Not bad. Not bad at all. So, and if I'm not mistaken, it's free. Now this one is very colorful. Now let's work with this one for a minute, okay? I'm gonna put it back up here, and then we're gonna go to. I love the background, but some people don't like the background. So let's see if we can take the background off in here. Let's see. Okay, not too bad, but still a little bit of the pink is on there. Well, let's make this. You know what else you can add into your prop? You can add intricate and detail. Okay, so you can go back and add intricate and detailed and see what happens when you do it like that. See if we can get something intricate. Oh, I think I and intricate and oh, you can only get so much in here too. Let's see what we come up with. One more time. Okay, that's what we got with detailed on there. Not too bad. You can try some cute little kids and see what you get. Just keep going. It has to get better and better. It gets better and better to me. And it all depends on your prompt. So that's all I wanted to show you guys on today. And don't forget, you can always edit your photo. If you do get an extra hand or some extra fingers or something, you can use your edit photo and you can use your magic eraser that I showed you guys. Ooh, my thing is moving like it wants to move. Wow, something is wrong with my eraser. And see how it took off the earring? Then you got a little bit of earring left. Maybe you can get in there and get that off of there and see what happens. Just in case you don't want the earrings on there, you can take the earrings off or something extra on there. Okay, that's it, guys. I hope you enjoy the video. Please comment and like. Give me a thumbs up and let me know you like seeing my videos, and I'll keep bringing them on. Good night, kings and queens, and my YouTube channel video subscribers. Bye bye.